Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add events for your site in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page, and when you're gonna have it, just right here or find here events. You're gonna choose between many of them, and you can really play around it which one you like and which one you want to sell and notify your potential customers or your fan base. So I'm gonna just I don't know, this one here, the event. I have it right here, and let's see that this is past events and upcoming events. I can just easily edit it. So let's see which one is it. It's big conference. So when I'm gonna click on it, you're gonna see it here, the big conference ever registered status. Open. You can change the image here, email receiver, add your email. I will just add different one. Nice. You can also close custom message if you want. Then you get date when it's going to happen, location, even address. This is really cool, really important. So description, long description. I don't know what else should I talk about it here. And then you get tickets and action button. You can have external link, sell tickets with the external system, Eventbrite, also up to you. Or you can go with internal order system. This is when you're gonna sell your own ticket price and people can buy it, but you need to have really specific things, or when someone's going to enter your venue or your event, they need to verify by your name. So many people are using it through the Eventbrite. That's also pretty cool idea, I think. So that's pretty cool. And then PayPal payment button link, you just add it to event. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Save and close. Then you get payment methods, but this is also really for you to have. Then you have tags. You can add taxes and configuration, but you can have configuration. You need to upgrade the version. So if you want to have free version, voila, this is okay. So this is how we can add events. And when I'm going to read more, nice. And if I would have my own link here to the event, someone could click it and go to Eventbrite and he would have it easy. So this is probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, give you some feedback, give you some guidance what you should do. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.